Hello everybody, welcome back to our course. We have the output of the web page, something like this. You can see everything is okay. Now we want to complete our project and we want to design the big section of our project. Here you can see, okay. What should we do? Inside our index.html page, we should use the section tag, we have something like this. The section is here. But what should be the idea of this? For example, we can use big section. Okay. Inside the section, we should have the container. Okay. Div class container. Okay, something like this. Inside it, we should have the h2 tag and the h3 tag. The name of the class for h2 tag is title and for h3 tag is subtitle. And inside the h3 tag we have the span tag that the ID is typed, okay? And after that we should have the p class, okay? The name of the p class is desk. We should remember the names because we want to use the class names inside the style tag, style page, okay? Now I want to refresh. You can see now we have something like this. We can see how the style is important. So we should go to the styles. Okay. Okay, now we should have sharp big section. Okay. Because inside the HTML we have section ID big section. So we want to add a style to big section inside the section. First we should have the background. I want to use the background for picture, okay? I want to use URL. What is the address of the picture? What is the name of the picture that we want to use? The picture that we want to use is something like this slider. The name of that is a slider and the format is JPG. Okay, so I want to use image slider.jpg and we should have dot dot because the image is inside the folder and we should came back to the index.php. We should came back one step, okay? Now we have something like this. The picture is not complete, okay? We should use the height, for example 600 pixel, and now I want to refresh. Okay, now we have something like this, but it's not so okay. Here we should have no repeat and the background size should be cover, okay? Now I want to refresh the page now, okay? We can see it is so better. Okay, but we should add another styles. Okay, we should have this style, the big section dot title. The name of the class here is title. The color should be white or sharp FFF. The text line is center. The font size is 75 pixel. The padding top is 15 pixel. And we have text shadow with color red, color black. Okay, now I want to show here very well. You can see here the text shadow. I want to use the inspect element, something like this. You can change the shadow of this. You can change the shadow, for example, something like this, or you can change it, or you can change the color of the shadow. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, now we have more to do about this lecture. What about the class subtitle? Okay, what should be the style of that? Okay, the style of that should be something like this. The color should be again white, the text line center, the font size, padding top, and text shadow. Okay, now I want to refresh. We have something like this. As you can see here, the future, we will complete it in the JavaScript. You can see the text is moving, okay? But now the text is fixed. But what about the class disk, the p tag? The name of this class is disk, okay? The style should be something like this. We should have the whites, the color, text line, line height, margin top, and text shadow again. Now I want to save and refresh the page. Okay, you can see it is something like this very well. I want to change it with inspect element to have more detail about it. We can see this is the P class. It has the color white, text line center, line height is 25 pixels. You can change the line height. Okay, you can see the difference. The margin top is 260 pixels. You can change it. It depends on you. And also the text shadow, the shadow from the right, the shadow from the bottom, and the shadow you can see here. Okay, you can change the color as you want. Okay, now we are more closer to our project that you can see in this picture. Thank you very much to paying attention to this lecture. If you have any question about these properties, I am ready to answer to you. I am ready to exercise together and something like that. Very well, and thank you for paying attention to this lecture, and have a goodbye.